Click invert, the invert button, to see the inverse equation. Click the top row of red disk to redisplay the complete array. Notice the axis repositioned as before. Then click the disk again to display the black disk corresponding to the constant. In the inverse equation, the numerator of the first equation is the inverse or reciprocal of the previous numerator. This numerator corresponds to the fraction 1 divided by the total number of disks filling the top left area of the array, which was the number of these disks was the previous numerator. Now this numerator is equal to the fraction 1 divided by this number. So we have 1/4, where previously we had 4 as the top numerator. The cross product of the numerators and denominators now correspond to the number of red disks filling the bottom right area of the array. So these 10 here. So it says that the cross product of these equals, of course, this 10 here. The product of any two non-adjacent areas of the array now correspond to the solution of the unknown x. So these are non-adjacent. And that would be adjacent and this would be adjacent. These are non-adjacent. So the product, of course, is 4 times 15, which equals 60. So x is now equals 60. The cross product, the product of any two non-adjacent areas. Any factors of the number of red disks filling the bottom right area of the array may be entered as the denominator of the ratio. So any factor of these red disks may be entered as the factors of the ratio on the left side of the equation, and the numerator of the ratio, this one multiplied toward this numerator, will always equal any factors of what was previously x. And so we can left click on these respective numbers to enter the factors. So in this case I can enter 2 and 5. 2 times 5 giving me 10. So now I have 1/8 as the ratio over here. And since this is x 60, take away 20, which is 40. 5/40 is also equal to 1/8. Now I could reverse these factors. Put 5 here and 2 here. And then I have 1/20 as my ratio. And so I have 2 over 40. and 2 over 40 is 1/20. So we can see that any factors that of these red discs in the bottom right array will always provide the correct ratios of the equation.